Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Life of Lev. Today we're going to be talking about installing Magic Lantern on your Canon digital SLR. So guys, full disclaimer, install this at your own risk. I cannot take responsibility if it damages your camera. I repeat, install at your own risk. I cannot take responsibility if it damages your camera. While I have never had any problems, and I've never known anyone that's had any problems with installing Magic Lantern, it does say on the website that there is still a chance that this could mess up your camera. Although I think the percentage is really small to none, there's still a chance, so please install it at your own risk. Let's download Magic Lantern for our camera. So I'm just going to Google search it. And it's this one right here, magiclantern.fm. So, just so you guys can take a brief overview of what the website looks like, it says right here what the supported cameras are. Mine right now is the T4i that we're going to be using the Magic Lantern for. But of course, you can take a look at all the supported cameras and you can download the one that is for your camera. So I'm gonna go into downloads, and Magic Lantern doesn't do anymore what they call, I think, stable builds. They've just been updating the nightly builds, but these are really stable, and I've been using them for a long time now. So click on nightly builds, and of course you can see a list of all the supported cameras. So mine right now is the Rebel T4i, so I'm just going to click into that. And I can see here that this is the latest build and this is the download. And it gives you some installation instructions over here that you can follow. So please make sure you check your firmware on your camera. It tells you exactly what firmware you should be running. There's a process for you to downgrade or upgrade, and you can just search that via Canon Firmware Upgrade, Canon Firmware Downgrade. We're going to download the Magic Lantern for the T4i. So I'm going to click download. That's great. You can see just showed up over here, finished downloading. I'm going to say show in Finder. So it's definitely in my downloads folder. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unzip it. And you can see I have two files and then another folder. So leave everything exactly as it is. Now we're going to go on over to the camera. There's something that we have to do before we drag and drop these files into the SD card. Turn on your camera, hit menu, then go on to format card. And just make sure low level formatting is checked and click OK. Once the formatting is done, you can shut down the camera. Wait a second and remove the SD card. And plug it into your Mac. You can see here I have my SD card, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these three files and drop it right into the main folder, the root folder. Please ensure that the file transfer is complete. you don't want the firmware to be corrupted in any way before you install it on your Canon camera. So please just take your time and make sure that the transfer is complete. And then once that's done, you can safely eject your SD card. And now we're ready to put the SD card into your Canon camera and install the firmware. Install the SD card in, wait a second, and then turn on your camera. Hit menu, and then go on over to the section where it says firmware version. Click on it. If you don't have enough battery, your camera will most likely tell you battery level is low, but it's better to ensure that you have fully charged your battery. If you do see a battery level is too low, just click OK, and then of course head on over to charge your battery. But if you don't see the battery level too low, just hit the firmware update, hit the update button and click OK. So now the firmware is updating to Magic Lantern. Do not do anything at this point, just leave it alone. And then you can go ahead and just reboot the camera. Now turn your camera, so turn off your camera, and now turn your camera back on. And now you're running Magic Lantern. It was that easy, guys. You are now running Magic Lantern, and you have a list of all these amazing features that you can check the website for, and I'll give you a full list. There's so much to dive in, and I could do probably maybe like 15 to 20 videos just on the features. Now, if you guys want to remove Magic Lantern, I'm going to show you that right now. It's super easy. All you have to do is turn your camera back on, go on over to menu, and head on over to format. Now there's the regular format, so if you were to click on this format, you would actually just get Magic Lantern back up on your SD card, but all your pictures would be gone. Pictures and videos would be gone. But if you want to actually remove Magic Lantern, you have to click on format and then hit Q, and that will remove Magic Lantern. To access Magic Lantern's settings, you can hit the trash can button. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video has helped you out. I hope I laid it all out so it's nice and easy for you guys to install Magic Lantern. Please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me a lot. Until next time, bye guys.